Yo, what is good, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. I'm Placement Gamer, back with a brand new video. In today's video, basically all we're going to be doing today is showing you the new gun that I got. It is actually a mythic gun, which you have to buy with real money, but that's not the case. It's all good. Today's video is actually going to be about this loadout that I found out about the CS, and it's basically like one of the really good assault rifles in COD Mobile. So let's hop straight into it. I will be showing you some gameplay here. The loadouts and everything will be in the description. All of the attachments, everything will be inside of the description down below. You may go down there and check it out and go and try out the gun for yourself. And make sure to have a blessed day, man. Have a really good day, and I'll catch you all in the next one, bro. Peace.